Here's how to allow photo access on Discord. Now, if you're on Discord on your iPhone or Android and you wanted to be able to send and receive photos from your library, you need to make sure you turn that on. So from here, I would highly recommend hopping out of the app itself and going into your settings. We'll check a couple things. So let's hop out of here and go to the settings. Now, one big culprit is if you have screen time turned on and content and privacy restrictions enabled, this could prevent your ability to give it access to all your photos. So I would highly recommend turning this off if you don't need it. So just toggle that off. And then next thing that we will do is we will go back one and another one. And then from here, let's see if it gives us allowed access to your photos. So you can see here is Discord. All I need to do is tap full access here and give full access, or I can choose limited access if I want to select the specific photos that I want to give it access to, but I'm going to give it full access. Now, if you don't see it on this list, all we need to do is go back to the beginning of your settings and we'll go to the settings for that specific app. So let's find Discord and there is photos. If you go through this entire process and it doesn't show up or it doesn't work for you, an easy workaround to get it fixed is just to delete the app. So press and hold on the app and hit remove and delete it, and then just reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store, and then it will request permission again, and you can give it permission to access your photos.